So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the welcome poster. There isn't too much editing to do here unless you choose to, but down below here it will say watch the video, see how easy it is, click here to be taken to the coordinated printed materials, and then you're going to click on the welcome poster in the size that you want because there's two different sizes. So we're going to go up here, click to be taken to the coordinated printed materials. That takes us to the page where we can click on the different items of what we want. So right now we're going to go to the welcome poster. There's two different sizes here. And then it says the template was shared by me to you. So we're going to use that template, this big purple button down here, use template. That takes us here into the Canva page. This little mini poster, the 8x10, is actually okay just as it is. You could just print this out. But if you'd like to, instead of saying thank you for being here, if you want to, you could double click. So I'm putting my little cursor right here. I double click, and then you can back this up and we can say welcome, an exclamation mark, and then you would click on the next little piece down here and just use your back button and click on that, and that goes away. And then we could just click and hold and move that down, hold, move this up. So now it says welcome, please take a program. If you don't like that, you decide that you wanted it the way that it is, then what you would do is go up here. This is your undo button. It's your best friend when you're using Canva. So you click undo, 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 and now you've gone back to the original. So that's how easy this one is to edit. And then when you're ready to print that out, you press the share button and then download. And then you can do it as a ping, which is like a picture. But in this case, the best way to do this, especially if you're just going to print this at home, save some money, you can do print PDF, best for printing. This is if you would want to send it off to a printer for like a high gloss, or you can just do the PDF standard, which is what you would use if you're just going to print at home. So you press that, and then it says flattened. Flatten your PDF will help ensure that it prints properly. So that's something that we're going to do is print that and then push download. And then you just wait for a little bit depending on how fast your computer speeds are. And then down here, this is where mine shows up. Depending on where your computer is, your downloads are going to show up. And then push that. And then you can open that up. And there's your beautiful welcome poster, 8x10. Then you can just print that, or you can download it, whichever you'd like to do. But if you just want to print that, you could print that. Once that's printed, you can just cut out the little excess right here. You would see that, and then put that into a picture frame, and it will look beautiful and ready for you to put on your table to let people know, thank you for being here, or welcome, and please take a program. And I'll see you in the next module.